Living in Kendall offers beautiful weather, vibrant neighborhoods, and year-round outdoor living. But it also means preparing your home for hurricane season and strong tropical storms. One of the most important upgrades you can make to protect your property and family is installing impact-resistant replacement doors. Modern impact doors are designed to withstand severe weather while improving security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. If you're considering replacing your doors, here's why impact-resistant options are a smart investment for Kendall homeowners. Built to withstand hurricane conditions, Kendall homes must be ready for high winds and flying debris during storm season. Standard exterior doors may not be strong enough to handle these conditions. If a door fails during a storm, it can allow wind and rain inside, increasing the risk of structural damage. Impact-resistant replacement doors are engineered with reinforced cores and heavy-duty materials such as fiberglass or steel. Many models include laminated, impact-rated glass that is designed to resist shattering. Even if struck by debris, impact glass is built to stay intact within the frame. This added strength helps maintain your home's structural integrity during severe weather. Meeting local building codes, South Florida has strict building codes for hurricane protection. Impact-resistant doors are designed to meet or exceed these requirements. When you choose code-compliant replacement doors, you're not only improving protection, you're also ensuring your home meets current safety standards. This can be especially important if you plan to sell your home in the future. Working with experienced professionals in Kendall ensures your new doors are installed correctly and meet all local regulations. Enhanced home security beyond storm protection, impact-resistant doors provide superior security year-round. Reinforced frames, heavy-duty locking systems, and strong materials make forced entry more difficult. Many models include multi-point locking systems that secure the door at several locations along the frame. This extra layer of protection offers peace of mind for you and your family. For homeowners in Kendall, combining hurricane safety with enhanced security is a practical and valuable upgrade. Energy efficiency for Florida's heat. Kendall's warm climate means cooling costs can add up quickly. Older doors with worn seals or single-pane glass may allow heat and humidity to enter your home. Modern impact-resistant replacement doors are built with insulated cores and energy-efficient glass. These features help reduce heat transfer and improve indoor temperature stability. Tight weather stripping prevents drafts and air leaks, allowing your air conditioning system to operate more efficiently. Over time, this can help lower monthly utility bills while keeping your home comfortable. Protection against UV damage. Strong Florida sunlight can fade furniture, flooring, and decor over time. Impact-resistant doors with laminated glass often include UV filtering technology that reduces harmful rays. This added protection helps preserve your interior finishes while still allowing natural light to brighten your entryway or patio area. Stylish options to match your home. Impact-resistant replacement doors are available in a wide range of styles and finishes. Whether you prefer a sleek modern look, a classic paneled design, or a decorative glass insert, there are options to match your home's architecture. You don't have to sacrifice style for safety. Today's impact doors offer both performance and visual appeal. Long-term value and peace of mind. Investing in impact-resistant replacement doors adds lasting value to your Kendall home. They provide storm protection, enhanced security, improved energy efficiency, and increased curb appeal. Most importantly, they offer peace of mind during hurricane season, knowing your home is better protected against unpredictable weather. If your current doors are outdated or not impact-rated, upgrading to impact-resistant replacement doors is one of the smartest improvements you can make for safety and comfort in Kendall.